In this cutting-edge Android 16 tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide apps on Android 16 using the new native private space feature. If you want to keep your banking apps, social media, or photos completely invisible and secure from prying eyes, we will show you how to set up this encrypted hidden compartment on your phone. For years, Android users had to rely on third-party launchers or buy specific brands like Samsung to get a secure, hidden folder for their apps. But with the latest updates in Android 16, Google has finally integrated a dedicated, system-level privacy tool that changes everything. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, we are going to master private space. This isn't just about removing an icon from your home screen, it is about creating a separate, locked container within your phone. When you put an app in private space, it is completely isolated. It doesn't show up in your recent apps, it doesn't send notifications when locked, and it is invisible to the rest of the system until you authenticate. We will walk through the setup process found in the security settings, how to move apps into this space, and how to hide the space itself so no one even knows it exists. By the end of this video, you will have a digital vault for your most sensitive data. To follow along, you simply need a smartphone running Android 16 or Android 15, where this feature was first introduced. This applies to Google Pixel phones and many other manufacturers adopting the latest Android standard. You will also need to have a screen lock set up, such as a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, as private space uses this security layer to protect your hidden area. When you can even set up a different PIN for the private space if you want extra security. Let's set up your vault. Open the Settings app on your Android phone and scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. Tap on that menu. Inside, you should see a section or option clearly labeled Private Space. Tap on it to begin the setup wizard. The phone will explain that private space allows you to hide sensitive apps. Tap the Setup button. You will be asked to authenticate with your main phone lock. Then you have a choice. You can use your existing screen lock to open private space, or you can create a new, separate PIN or pattern just for this area. For maximum privacy, I recommend creating a new, unique PIN. You can also add a separate fingerprint that unlocks only this space. Once the setup is done, go back to your home screen and open your app drawer by swiping up. You will now see two sections at the bottom, or a lock icon, Personal and Private. Tap on Private. It will ask you for your authentication. Once unlocked, you will see a few default apps like Camera and Play Store inside. To hide an app you already have, you actually need to install it directly into private space. Open the Play Store inside the private space, not the regular one. Search for the app you want to hide, like WhatsApp or a banking app, and install it. This creates a completely new, separate copy of that app inside the vault. You can then uninstall the original version from your main personal profile if you want it to be totally hidden. For the ultimate invisible experience, you can actually hide the private space container itself when it is locked. Go back to Settings and then Security and Privacy and tap on Private Space. Enable the option to hide private space when locked. Now the Private tab will disappear from your app drawer entirely. To find it again, you will have to type a secret search command like private space or a custom phrase into the search bar of your phone. Remember that apps in private space stop running when you lock the space. This means you won't receive notifications from them until you unlock the space again. This is great for peace of mind, but be careful if you're hiding messaging apps where you need instant alerts. So we have reached the end of our guide. we have learned how to hide apps on Android 16 using the powerful private space feature. We walked through enabling the feature in security settings, installing apps directly into the secure container, and even hiding the container itself for maximum stealth. You now have a native, encrypted way to keep your personal life truly personal. I truly hope this Android 16 guide helps you secure your data. If it was helpful, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more Android tips and latest feature reviews, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you plan to use private space for banking apps or for social media to disconnect? I'm curious to know how you will use this new tool. Thank you for watching.